Hello everyone, friends. I am here again after a short break. Today I will look at Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance, and XRP with you. I generally use the Elliott wave method in these analyses. We will follow these. Let's briefly look at what we said in our last video on Bitcoin. This section was a resistance for us, and we said that the price would start a downward trend with the movements from here. This is the first level for us right now, and our levels are still valid. It is critical for us that the first reaction from the 86,050s ends in this way, and that the place to come above is between $89,000 and $91,000. We can see an upward movement from here in the short term. In other words, when this falling structure here is broken, an upward movement from here again may come a new attack up to 91,000. It is useful to follow this, but we should not forget that we are still in a resistance zone. And if the new movement here is very hard and volatile, we have a resistance zone that will work more strongly above, and the levels here are $98,000, $101,000, and $105,000. Friends, a hard wave may come up to here. Now I am reorganizing the chart for the triangle variation here. This C wave may start from a top that may come from here. This is a possible scenario for our triangle variation. But if it is not a triangle, there is a possibility that only the last C wave in this ABC structure here could come all the way here, and we will watch whether it will be from here or from here. We are in the last wave. After that, there will definitely be a sharp decline again, like in these sections. Either, as you can see from here, or a decline will come from this level. So it is useful to examine the charts. We will continue. We will continue by watching this way, friends. We have come into the critical zones. I think we should take these into account now. Now I'm moving from here to XRP. Friends, XRP is an important coin for us, and it is still hovering inside this zone as in the last analyses we have done. It is still going up, down, up, down. There is a horizontal chart with no volume. This is a hard breakout that could come here. It could be a pump or dump. The price is stuck around here now. Prices need to make a decision, and it needs some time to make this decision. March is ending. We will probably see some action in April, and this rising structure here is important for us. We talk about it all the time. The middle band and the lower band are critical regions. So these are exactly here. This place shows us $1.75. The bottom of the rising channel shows $2.20. If it goes out of this channel, the price should fall very sharply. It has to come to the yellow zone, which is approximately the zone that we have always identified. It would be good to see the price between $1.50 and $1.15. If the price does not break $2.20, $2.75 will be resistance for us. With the breaking of this section, the green zone is the first area where the price will try. I think an attack will start in the price if it passes here. In this way, such an attack may go to the $4 target with a little consolidation here and then a very hard breakout. But right now we are closer to $2.20. If the price declines in this way around here, which I am a little closer to this section, we will come to this section at the end of a hard sale with a negative news that will come in April with the hard sales here. According to me, the probability of this rising structure is 40%. The possibility of a falling structure is 60% according to me. I am more prone to this scenario because I am waiting for wave A, B, and C here. For this triple structure here to end, it would be very good for the price to come here. And this is exactly the direction I'm waiting for. When we look at the Bitcoin dominance, I said that if there is a break in the Bitcoin dominance, we will fall to the lower band. That break did not come with serious volume, and the price is more inclined to throw itself up in this lower band of the channel, as you can see. So, if this price makes a very hard move upwards, it will hurt the altcoins, and I think it would be enough for XRP to make this red move to get to the $1 to $1.50 section. And this is the last fall. After that, the rises will start, and I think we will probably move to the time period between June and August, when we need to collect the altcoins? Now I want to look at Nasdaq very briefly. And look, Nasdaq had a big breakout in its rise here. After breaking such a trend, you see that the price shows a 40% decline, and again we see that a rising structure has been broken in this way. There is a possibility of a 40% decline. In the event that this movement does not come, I think that these areas will work as support in Nasdaq first. So 17,400s are support for us. The price may fall a little bit more until here. Look, when it first came out of the channel, it came to the middle band of the channel and got support from there. In this falling movement here, it can come here with a decline in this way and start its new rise from here. This is a natural process, friends. After breaking such a trend, there is a serious sell-off in prices, and the 17,400 region is very important for us in a balanced price. In order for the price to make a positive movement in a very opposite situation, I need to see the price entering this trend again. So it is very important for us that the price comes above 21,760. If it comes here, we can talk that the price rise will continue more easily. But for now, this section makes me target the middle band due to the break of the trend a little more. If the 17.400 regions come, I think it will be very good. Thank you very much for listening to me. Take care of yourself. Good luck to you.